how's everybody doing? Going to show you guys how I do some maintenance blading, and I'm going to show you how I do a 5-pass. We're going to be mowing again, so I don't want any windrow out there. So I will take and show you guys how I take and do a 5-pass blading. In the 2020 Deere today, got my road rake attachments wheel rake, and we haven't had rain for probably 2-3 weeks, but roads are starting to get pretty washboardy and whatnot, so definitely time to get them cut out and relayed, and I can start mowing and hopefully get a nice shot of rain here. So but yeah, I'll get some action shots for you guys, and I'll keep the video going. Windrow pulled in on the right hand side. Now I switched my machine around and I'm pulling in on the other right hand side, kicking it, cleaning this shoulder up, kicking it back across the crown on the opposite side, using my rake to clean up this shoulder. Got the rake out there, cleaning that up. So what I do is I'll take and pull this in like this here, and then I'll take and blade it back off to this side I started on, and then I will end up grabbing my windrow from this side that I started on back to the middle, lay half of it, and then lay half from the middle to this shoulder. So, but yeah, I will show you guys how I set up on the next couple passes, and keep the video going. Okay, well, I got everything bladed back off to the other side here. I'll flip the camera around and show you what that looks like. So essentially I pulled both edges off, got it across center, took and laid that from center off to my shoulder here. Now I'm set back up. I'm grabbing it off of this shoulder again and bringing it back to the center line. So now it's cross center, and what I'll do is I'll take and grab this from center and blade it back over to this shoulder and lay everything back down, and it'll really look nice. But I will show everybody what the finished product looks like. Alright, well, we got it all finished up. Flip the camera around here and show you what it looks like. So this is the old finished product here. Got everything nice and smoothly laid out, all the way out to the shoulder. Got that nice rook peak back in it, nice shape to the road. I blade right through all my intersections. So you keep the intersections nice and maintained smooth. Generally about 2 times a year I'll take and do the radiuses. I did them about a month and a half ago, so they're still pretty good yet. But yeah, that's what it looks like. If anybody's got any questions, you can take and put them down in the comments. But I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.